Hey guys, welcome back to the video. In today's video, we will talk about how to view the historical data of cryptocurrency on Yahoo Finance. First, go to Yahoo Finance. Once there, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type the name of the cryptocurrency you like Bitcoin. I want to search about Bitcoin. I will click on this option. Once you are on the cryptocurrency profile, look for historical data. Like here you can see the historical data. Click on that. Now here you can see all historical data on Yahoo Finance. Right now I'm recording this video on 16 Feb, so you can see before 16 Feb all historical data is available. You can go and check. That's it, all you need to know. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you easily find the historical data you are looking for.